PAGBA is established in 1965, is a current national organization of budget officer, financial manager, and public administrators from government agencies and local unit. As partner in nation building, PAGBA advocates reform and innovation for effective public fiscal administration and good governance. It serves as a catalyst for change through research, consultation, and legislative initiative while promoting professional development through knowledge sharing and linkages. Commit to fiscal discipline, transparency, integrity, and professionalism. PAGBA continues to strengthen public financial management and upholding high standard among its members. To receive the award in behalf of the organization, we have the former ASEC of BIR and currently the National President of Philippine Association of Government Budget Inc., Ms. Sinaida B. Chang.
These Lady Justice Statuette and Certificate of Appreciation are given in recognition of our awardees' invaluable support and contribution to the advocacy of the Public Attorney's Office.
Dr. Persida Rueda Acosta, Chief Public Attorney's Office, efficient and dedicated lawyers, accountant, officials, and employees of Public Attorney's Office. I'm deeply honored and thankful to accept this outstanding professional and civic organizations award in behalf of Philippine Association for Government Budget Administration Incorporated. Because finally, our effort to improve and commit to perform its responsibility with highest degree of integrity, professionalism, and objectivity to enhance the value formation and capacity building among its members is now recognized. Thank you. PAGBA as a dynamic partner of government in nation building, we are the lead advocates of reforms and innovations for an effective and efficient public fiscal administration and good governance, serving our country and members with the highest standard of integrity, objectivity, and professionalism. PAGBA is a resource center of knowledge, technologies as fiscal policies and practices through continuing fora and linkages with local and foreign organizations like ICGFM, based in Washington, D.C., USA, which PAGBA is an organizational member to ensure professional development among its members. PAGBA adheres to fiscal discipline and transparency in the management of its resources to effectively implement its program and projects and fulfill social responsibility to its members. PAGBA is a catalyst of change in the field of public fiscal administration through research, studies, and legislative agenda to respond to the needs of an ever-changing environment. We are so thankful to Attorney Persida for the support and assistance to PAGBA by giving inspiration and sharing her knowledge, talents, precious time, and expertise to PAGBA members and participants, and to all who needed it. We thank you for your kindness, untiring assistance, endless and continued support to PAGBA. Thank you. This award is very timely, for we, PAGBA, just celebrated our 60 years of service in strengthening public financial management in the Philippines. For 6 decades, PAGBA has worked to advance sound fiscal governance founded on transparency, accountability, and professional standards in the management of public resources through the conduct of quarterly seminars for government officials of the national and local governments. PAGBA has strived to equip itself new systems and processes to improve its services to its members. Public financial management is the backbone of public trust, and not only mere performance of the technical function of budgeting, accounting, and auditing. Public trust in government suffers whenever weaknesses in procurement systems, expenditure control, contract management, and project implementation surface, and their consequences are felt by the people. These failures are not abstract but are felt by communities that are deprived timely infrastructure, underfunded social services, and their rightful benefits. Because of this, we need like Attorney Persida Acosta, who is an advocate of mabuting pamamahala sa PAW at sa gobyerno, katapatan, kahusayan, pananagutan ng batas, katarungan. Yan po, kaya nakakapagsalita ako ng ganito. Yan po, matagal ko siyang nakasama. Ganun po siya, kahit kaibigan, kailangan po laging tama. Yan po siya, at ang gusto ko sa kanya, yung pagmamahal sa inyong lahat. Siya po ang nakikita kong head ng office na nakakasabay ko pa sa pagpapalo up, na pumupunta sa DBM, sa lahat ng mga agencies na kailangan ninyo para kayo matulungan and para maibigay ano ang gusto niya para sa inyo. Yan po siya. Marami pong salamat kay Atty. Persida Acosta. Hindi dahil po siya kaibigan namin, naging kaibigan namin siya dahil siya ay maayos na tao, mahusay at matalino. Ganyan po siya. To all of you, dedicated public servant, at sa mga PAW lawyers na talagang nagmamalasakit, tumutulong sa mga taong nasa baba ng laylayan, thank you very much sa serbisyo nyo. Marami pong salamat.
Maraming salamat, PAGBA!